everyone. I hope you are all taking care of yourself. Today I will be starting a new topic in English language. But before discussing the topic, I want you all to guess what am I doing. Do you remember any game of guessing? Yes, it is called Dumb Charades. Have you ever played the game Dumb Charades? Do you remember the game in which one child just enacts something, a movie name, a song or something, and the rest of the team has to guess which movie it is, right? So the game's name is Dumb Charades. And now I will be enacting a few things and you have to guess. Obviously I will write it here, but you have to guess it, and you also have this activity to play at home. You can play it with your friends and family by enacting a few words, enacting a few things, and the team member has to guess it. You get points for it. Let's start. Now I have a chalk in my hand. So what am I doing with the chalk? I will write it. What will I do? I am writing. Correct? Now, I have this notebook here. So, what am I doing? I am opening it. So, let me write it over here. I am opening the notebook. Now, I have a duster here. What will I do with the duster? I will erase everything. So, what will I do? I am erasing. Now children, what have I done here? I have used the verbs here, right? Which are the verbs here? Here is the word write. This is a verb. Verb is the action word that I have used in a sentence. And here the verb is open, and here the verb is erase. Correct? So when I have used these action words in a sentence depicting about what I did just now at the present moment, they will be written as this. I am writing, I am opening, I am erasing. What is the difference? I have added ing. And while I have used I, because I have written about myself, what I am doing right now, so I have used as am with it. Correct? See, in all the sentences I have used I, and with I have used am, and I have used ing. So what is the first rule and what are we doing? Let's see. So children, the name of the topic that we are going to start today is present continuous tense. Understood? Present continuous tense. Why? Because I was doing something at the present moment. At that moment, that means now. I was doing it right now. And continuous means it is still going on. Okay? Going on. And you all know, what does the tense tell us? It tells us the time of the event. Right? So what time is it going on? The event is happening right now. Like what I gave you the examples. I am writing. Fine. So I means I am talking about myself. Am is used with I in present continuous tense. And when you are using a verb, it adds ing with it with present continuous tense. So first rule is subject plus verb plus ing. But here I have used am. So what is the rule? Rule is to use am with I. When the subject is I will use am plus verb and I will include ing with it. So children, the second rule says when there is a singular subject. Singular subject means if I am talking about he, she or it. How will I write a sentence using a singular subject? I will simply write it as singular subject plus is. I will be adding is in the sentence and then the verb plus ing. Fine. This is rule number 2. Now let's see in a sentence. He is playing with a ball. Now what does this sentence tell us? He is a singular subject. With singular subject we add is and this is a verb play and I have added ing here. Fine. And then is the rest of the sentence. So with singular subject we use is plus verb plus ing. Now what else is there? She. So we can use it as she is dancing. Fine. She is a singular subject. I have used is with it and with the verb I have used ing. So children, now the rule number 3 that says when there is a plural subject. Plural subject means they, we, you. Fine. So what will we add here? Plural subject plus for all these plural subjects we will add are. Okay. Plus the verb and ing. This is the rule for plural subjects when we use it in present continuous sentence. Now let's see an example. They are playing. Fine. They is a plural subject. Are is used when we are using it in a sentence and the verb plus ing. Next example is we are going to school. Now here we is a plural subject. We have used are with it. Go is a verb and we have added ing. So similarly we will be using more of the examples and write present continuous tense. Let's revise the rules. So students, let's revise the rules of present continuous tense. And the rules are with the singular subject, that is he, she and it, we use is and verb plus ing. With I we use am, verb plus ing. With plural subjects such as we, you and they, we use are plus verb plus ing. So now children, you also have to do that Damsharaj activity at home. You have to play that game. And you also have another activity in which you have to write a paragraph about what you are doing at the present moment. So not less than 10 to 15 lines. It's completed and I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you.